Welcome back to my place, and guys, today again we're gonna play Minecraft. And guys, today I'm gonna show you my new home. I was constructing it right 10 seconds before, 20 seconds before. Wait, yeah, this is my house. So yeah, I was in creative because it was kind of pretty much tough and taking pretty much resources. Somehow with my creative amount that I had, I used that much amount, but yeah, it took a little bit help from creative, and my house looks like, oh shit, it's like boom. Sorry, I showed you from the wrong side. And boom, looks like this. Oh, there's a bit much problem in this house. This is how it looks like. Pretty much cute house, small house, but yeah, I'm happy living in it. I know that the storage is pretty much slow, and yeah, if you want to construct, I have no idea of how to construct. And yeah, I heard in places such as I saw a video from Sis vs Bro, and I saw that we can construct things. Not you didn't get me. No, that I didn't. I heard. I came to know that we can construct for food. We can construct things for food. Yes, I have a raw salmon, and I can turn it into cooked salmon. Yeah, I will do some farming also. First, let me get some iron ingots. Oh wait, it's a dangerous thing. So guys, I'm gonna go and get some stones. Or if I get luck, I will also get iron ingots. Yeah, I also needed to craft a boat. First, let's go and craft a shovel. Because shovel is the thing that I need right now. Okay, so boat. Where the hell is the boat? Okay, so I need a shovel. Okay, I'm constructing a shovel right now. Okay, so I think so that I have constructed the shovel. Wait, have I? No. I need to store some things in this. Yeah, I know that there are many things. I needed a bed. So I was so interested in this game that I came to creative. Then all these things happened. The things that I needed: a torch, yeah, a chest, a bed, and some food resources. Forgot to go in creative mode and get some of the resources. So yeah, I can go and construct my oh wait, what? I some of the things of okay, now can I construct a boat? No. I first need to craft a shovel. Okay, so I have now constructed the boat. Let's go mine. Whoopee! And I need food also. I'm bored in it. How to use it, I don't know clearly. Okay, so here, let's leave this place. Oh shit. Okay, so that's mine to get a furnace. Suppose just a little bit to do. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, some extra 9, and 11. That's much. Oh wait, what? Wait. Oh, finally. Leave the boat. Since I can't craft the furnace over here. Okay, so finally I got the furnace. Constructed here. So So I used it as spare space for emergencies. Yeah, I'll keep my furnace over like the most of the area. This chest also, one of my chest. Just over here. Okay, so that's much. Then where's my sword? Okay, so we still have 3, so we'll save them. We're go and get some food resources, but before that, craft a wooden sword so that we can get resources. See how many wooden swords we were. Okay, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 wooden swords, and when fighting with mobs, we'll use this stone sword. Oh yeah, the food. And then we have to be careful also. Wait, why? So, first of all, let's kill this idiot. Wait, what? Seriously? Oh, wait, what? So tough, like seriously, it took years to kill him. Okay, so we got food. Okay, so I need coal. Should I go? Is there a mine nearby? Wait, what? There is no mine nearby. Okay, so let's go. Oh, wait. We need food. Let's eat the food first. It took years to fight that idiotic fellow. Oh, wow. Apple is very nice. Okay, so let's kill some of these fishes. No, fishes are very nice. Okay, so not far from my house. Okay, finally. Is there something nice we're going to see? Or present? Wait, what? Have I lost? Sure. Okay, so there's an egg. Let's kill this idiot. Wow, we got finally for sea adventures. I didn't know that I was going to sea, so took my boat. Okay, so let's do as fast as we don't know how to find a house. Okay, I've come to home. Yeah, kinda lost. Here and there, going like an idiot. But yeah, like seriously, apple restores a lot of health. It's even more than beef. Guys, I'm gonna go on a travel. I'm gonna meet you in a while. Guys, sorry, I was cheating. I can't find coal. So where to go? Should I go there? Like seriously, I don't know what are the coordinates. Yeah, let's enable coordinates. Yeah. So the coordinate of my respawn point 609, 67, 135, 609, 67, 135, 609. It's night time and pretty scary as in the night monsters are active. So I will go on that island and sleep for a while. Because that island seems not that much harmless. Yeah, it looks cool. I'll sleep here for this night. Yes. What I was scared. Have I? Oh wait, what? I have only 2. It's me to that island. Most probably, can I see? Let's see. Yeah, my houses can be clearly seen. So yeah, I'll come to this island only. So yeah, I used to come on this island only. Could discover mine 609, yeah? Okay, so let's go and see mine. And if we will be or would be successful in finding a village in this Minecraft season. Okay, so yeah. Okay, wait, what? Who the hell was that? Okay, so it wasn't a villager. Okay, so have found. Oh yeah, got to mine. Wait, no one's in there. Chicken. Okay, so how to get out? Okay, the question is here. Phil. Oh, finally. Oh my, seriously. Why can't I find mine? Oh God. Should I go to that area of the forest? There are many chances that I would get lost. I have no crafting table, at least. Let's see what I can craft right now. I need a space. Craft. Oh yeah, I can at least craft a stone sword. It's the most important thing that I ever said for myself. I don't know. No. I'm scared going to that area of the forest. I dropped something? Yeah, I thought it's the most important point. Yeah. Put my respawn point over here only. Cause if I lose something, yeah, that is actually. Wait, what are the? Oh, wait, what? There must be. I have traveled now. Traveled so far. Go back. Store on the same shore. Yeah, I'm scared. Going to see. Oh, is that so? Yes. I need stones. I need. Oh wait, what? Okay. I need weapons. I need a little bit of food. My chest. All of my valuables. This place only. That we're lost. Food is not that much necessary. Okay, so for taking the dog, this is the best. For climbing, this is the best. Balls, that's pretty much nice. Food source, stone sword, stone pickaxe. Wait, what I left stone pickaxe? Hey, chicken licken. I'm not gonna use you as a pet right now. Oh yeah. If God will help us, He'll send me a puppy. If I get, wait, what? It's an idiotic llama. I hate you. Oh shit, have I done wrong? Oh, he will spit at me. Oh yeah, I got another thing. Oh yes, it's the coal. It's mine. Please get me something nice. Wow, there is pretty much quantity of coal. Seriously. Wait, what? Seriously, there's so much quantity of coal. Oh god damn it. There's so much quantity of coal. Yeah. Is too much quantity of coal. Wait, is this coal endless? I'm getting tired of mining coal. I'm beginning to make gold. But yeah, it's pretty much useful as it helps us in XP. Oh, finally got relief from this area. Should I tame Nana? Please give me a wolf. Okay, let's try. God, that's cool. Just like bored. It's taking so much time. If there would be, oh wait, what? So, no, I'm not gonna. If now 24%. Oh wait, see. Okay, so this is diorite, but I don't need it. The iron ore somewhere. Thing that I need isn't coming over here. So friends, whoever is watching this, or if no one is watching it, please tell me in the comment section, how do I... What was the use of that? Heard that many people do this. It will take some home killing some animals. Okay, so let's say in this place there is no iron ore. I'm gonna suspect on that place. So my hearts are okay. So this is called a mine. Finally, I've got a mine. Need to be ready. Just go to this place. Oh, wait. Not getting anything nice. Please, help someone, help me. Seriously. If I am playing Minecraft for the first time ever, there's no iron ores. I'm gonna surrender now and go and check. Something's there. Look at the coordinates. things back. I don't remember where did I put my things. So, okay, so most probably my house must be there. Let's get my things back. Purchased so many things just for fun. God damn it. I didn't even find what do you call it? What this chest done. So we got our first chest. God, I'm so irritating. This thing is so sad. Like seriously, I got only coal. I didn't got any nice things. So it's night. So I need to get back to that island. Okay. Where was that island? Okay. I need to get there as fast as possible. And in the morning I leave from yeah. Okay, so let's go. Let's first. हाँ पापा.
मेरा फोन लेते जाओ नानी है सही पहने कपड़े जो लेते जाओ फोन वही मम्मा से कहना अटेंड करना.
अरे नहीं यार पापा मैं यहीं से मैं नाना को कॉल करके कह दूँगा.
तुरंत बुलाओ उसका फोन भी आ चुका मैसेज भी आ गया.
ओह शिट आ गया अभी यार.
जैसी मम्मी तुम्हारी
Sorry guys, there's PTM in my class. Sorry guys for that. Sorry guys. हेलो नमस्ते. मम्मा आ जाइए इधर. PTM करनी थी याद है. अभी 8:30 बजे. जल्दी आओ मम्मी. 8:22 हो रहा है मम्मी जल्दी आओ. Sorry guys for your inconvenience. Sorry guys for your inconvenience. I know that I repeated. There is no boat. Most probably the chances are that I need to go home early. But did I even use the boat? Wait, what were my coordinates? Okay, so this was the place. Oh, please. Drop. So, I think so that I need to drop the board here. No. Here. Oh God. Wait, my boat floated. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I saw my home, pretty home. Bored. Let's go home. Here. Let's test it. How it works. It's the cool. Oh wow. It tastes so cool. So amazing. Was that a cookie? That's so amazing. So guys, that was for my video today. I hope that you may I'm not sure that you have enjoyed my video like that inconvenience. So if for that inconvenience show you guys, except for that, if you like the video, share and subscribe. Obviously, thank you. Finish the recording and done.